Well, welcome to my channel, and what we have in front of us is another victim to be broken apart. We get a shot of the rating plate. I think it's a PV73 3-section oil-fired boiler, and the customer is going to be going to gas, so we're going to be putting in an SG03. It'll have a burner on the front, but it will be fired with gas. Barometric. So you can see the chimney has been relined. There's the oil line that's been disconnected, and I'm going to have a subcontractor come and take away the old tank, which is under the back porch on the other side of the wall there. The near boiler piping isn't bad. It's to spec. I've got the section removed there. I've cracked that off, notched it, and then taken a wedge and split it, so that should be coming off. There is the equalizer line. The Hartford loop is not to spec, but yeah, seen worse. And then there's the return there, and then there is the wet return there. So we've got the electric. I'll probably reuse this junction box here, and burner's been removed. It was a Riello. I think you can see the pattern of the old boiler that was there. And we have a 2-inch main, and it's a wraparound main, so it goes all the way around and around and around, and it winds up, bear with me, okay, and we started there at the gas meter, so as you see it comes all the way around, and then we installed at some point earlier in servicing this a Gorton number 2. So the idea is that the Gorton number 2, which is a very large vent, will be the low pressure point when the system fires. And so the idea is that the air will want to escape through there. The steam will go to this point first, and then once that vent's shut, this entire main is now full of steam, and then the steam is going to start looking for a way out and go out through the relatively small vents on the radiators first. And so the idea is that the steam will, oh yeah, and there's the wet return coming around and back to the boiler. So pretty straightforward. Again, this was the typical pattern. The wraparound, the big main, was the typical pattern for the coal-fired unit. Now we've got oil, and now we're going to go to gas. So thanks again for your support, and stay tuned, I hope, for further progress as we move through the cycle of replacing this boiler. Thanks again.